Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my bomb spaghetti recipe with you guys. I posted this on Instagram and a lot of you guys were in my DMs like, Steph, what's the recipe? You guys were just asking. Some of you already started recreating it, which I love so much. So today I'm bringing you guys the recipe so we can all know how to make this bomb spaghetti together, and I honestly cannot wait for you guys to start trying out this recipe. Okay, so let's begin. So I already have some oil in a pan, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is adding some curry powder into it. Then I'm just going to fry that for like 30 seconds. Then I'm going to add some chopped onions into that oil as well. Then I'm going to fry it for about 2 minutes so that the flavor can really come out. Then I'm going to be adding some crushed bell peppers into it. As you can see, the bell peppers are not blended all the way, and that is why I'm calling it crushed. I'm using bell peppers instead of tomatoes because bell peppers just have this sweet, nice, amazing taste that I just loved. And since the whole idea of this dish was a kids friendly dish, I was thinking kids will also love something that is sweet as well. So I'm just going to let that fry on medium heat, and as it fries, I'm going to be constantly checking it because if you don't check this, it's going to burn at the bottom. And guys, we don't want no burnt spaghetti sauce, okay? So make sure you check it. And then as it's frying, I added some habanero because I want it a little bit spicy. Then I also added some ginger, garlic, and celery. Make sure you check out the description box because I'm going to be adding all the ingredients that I used. After adding that, I'm just going to stir it again, you know, just stir. Look at that beautiful color already. Then I'm going to be adding some bouillon seasoning. You can also use Maggie as well, but I just really like bouillon. I like the taste that it gives, and that is why I am using it. And then after adding that, I'm just going to stir, and then I'm going to add some white pepper, guys. White pepper, flavorful. Then I'm adding some chopped celery, green onions, basil, and also parsley. At this moment, the aroma in your kitchen should be killing you guys because this smells so good. Oh my god, like I cannot wait for you guys to try out this recipe and tell me how it comes out. Anyway, so I'm just going to let that fry up a little bit so the flavors can really come out, and then I'm going to be adding my spaghetti. I didn't really bother recording how I boil the spaghetti because most of you guys already know how to boil the spaghetti. All you do is boil water, and once it comes to a boil, you add some salt, and then you add the spaghetti into it as well. Anyway, so after adding my spaghetti into this pan, I'm just going to mix it, you know, just combine everything together, you know, just let all the ingredients just marry. Like at this point our dish is almost done, and my excitement is just killing me, guys. Just look at that. Just it looks so good, right? Okay guys, so after mixing, I'm going to be adding some more of the green spices, and then I'm also going to be adding some grated carrots. So you can use shredded carrots, but I recommend that you grate your carrots just like this because the whole idea for this dish is for kids, and you know a lot of kids don't like carrots. So when you grate your carrots like this instead, even though they see that there's carrots inside the dish, they really cannot taste it because it just blends very well together since it's so thin. You guys try this, and the whole purpose of these carrots, what it does is it actually makes the dish a little bit more sweeter. So the carrots and the bell peppers just makes this dish so sweet. And think about it, guys, it has a lot of nutrients, the nutrients from the carrots, the nutrients from the bell peppers, and the nutrients from all the other ingredients. So this is really safe for kids. Anyway, so after adding everything, I'm just going to stir, guys. So this is pretty much the end because once you add your carrots, you just stir for like 3 more minutes and it's ready. Oh my god, you guys, the aroma in my kitchen right now, the way this tastes, the way it looks, look at all those colors. It looks so good, and I cannot wait for you guys to try this. I cannot wait for your kids to try this because I know once you make this for your kids, they're going to be screaming, mommy, I want some more spaghetti. Like when I made this, I could not stop thinking about my future kids. Like I instantly added this to their menu because I knew they'll love it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask them down below. Also check out the description box for everything else. Thank you.